how to make and create a personal Facebook cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to canva.com and log into your account. Now click on create a design right here and search for Facebook. Click on Facebook cover option. It will take you to this page. Now scroll down until you find personal Facebook cover. Click on see all. Now choose any template you want from here. You have many professional templates, as you can see. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, or as you can see, or this one, and you can change everything from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.